The Granby Roll. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Granby Roll, which is a great way to escape the bear hug, also known as the rear body lock. Okay, first things first, I want to make sure that my opponent does not take my back, so I have to keep my knees close to my body, close to my chest, and using my hands defensively to make sure that he does not put his hooks in. Also, I want to make sure that his hands don't change configuration into a seatbelt. Next, I want to build up to my hands and knees and get as perpendicular as I possibly can. When the time is right, I'm going to barrel roll. Basically throw my hips over my shoulders and my neck. I'm going to aim my hips and my tailbone into my opponent's armpit. This will put a lot of stress on his shoulder and force him to let go. You can see a failed Granby roll that I attempt here because I'm not able to get as perpendicular as I need to get. As a matter of fact, I'm more parallel, in which case my attempt fails. Now let's watch that Granby roll escape from the rear bear hug in real time. How'd I get here? I took a bad shot. The guy sprawled on me. Hope that helps. Please like, subscribe,